Hi friends, welcome to D'Souza's kitchen. Today I'll show you how to make Goan pork sorpotel. So let's start. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Here I have 1.5 kg boneless pork, half kg pork liver which I have boiled with little bit of turmeric and salt and cut it into small pieces. Here I have 20 pieces of Kashmiri Chilies, 12 pieces of button chilies, 2 teaspoon Haldi turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon Jeera seeds, Cumin seeds, 40 pieces of black peppercorns, 24 pieces of cloves, 2 teaspoon khus poppy seeds, 20 cloves of garlic, 3 sticks of cinnamon, 2 pieces of ginger, small ball of tamarind, 12 tablespoons of coconut vinegar. You can adjust it according to your taste. 4 slit green chilies, 4 green cardamom, 4 bay leaves, 6 medium sized onions chopped, 1 tablespoon of sugar, salt as per your taste, water as required and pork stock, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Now we'll add the masala in the mixer grinder. Add water as required and we will grind this into fine paste. Our grounded masala is ready. Here I have pan which is hot. Now we will add the pork meat. We will fry the pork meat till it is light golden brown in color. Our meat is done. This is the color you need to get. We need to do it with the rest of the pork the same way and the liver as well. Here I have pan with 2 tablespoons of oil which is nice and hot. Now we'll add the onions. We will saute it till it is nice and translucent. Our onion is done. Now we will add the masala. Water, pork stock, bay leaves, chilies, cardamom, salt as per your taste, sugar, mix Now we'll cook this on medium flame for 5 minutes. Now we'll add the vinegar and the meat. Mix. And now we'll cook it on a medium flame for 15 to 20 minutes. Our sorpotel is done. Now let's plate it up. Our Goan pork sorpotel is ready. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.